students, in the previous video we have learnt about the negative forms of can or could. Okay, and in this video we are going to do the book back exercise, which is in your book page number 62. Okay, so in this exercise what you are going to do? You are going to make a negative sentence, a negative form, and also the positive form of a can. So what is the positive form of can? Do you remember? Yes, the positive form of can is could. What? Could. And what is the negative form of can? Yes, that is cannot. That is cannot. Okay, so cannot is the negative form of can, and could is the past form of can. So there are 6 sentences, 6 questions are in your book. I have written 3 questions. Let's do one by one. Okay, so in this video we are going to do only the 3 questions, and in the next video you will be doing the remaining 3 questions. Okay, so let's read out the Roman. What we need to do? We need to change them into their present form and negative form. We need to change them into the past form. Sorry, I have read wrongly. We need to change them into their past form and also the negative form. Okay, so let's read out the first question, that is I can ride a horse. I can ride a horse. Here what does it mean? Yes, enala horse otta mudiyum. What we need to do? What we need to change? We need to change into the positive form first and the negative form first. Okay, here I have written answer 1 and answer 2. In every answer 1 we are going to write the past form of the sentence, okay, of can, and in the second answer we are going to change it into the negative form of can, that is cannot. Okay, so let's make the past form first. Okay, so I can ride a horse. Here the verb can, what is the past form of can we have learned? That is could. So where we need to change? Only here. In place of can only we are going to add the past form, and in the same place, in place of can only we are going to write the negative form. Okay, so let me write the answer for you. What will be the answer? Yes, I. So now in the first answer we are going to write the past form. So can you tell me the past form of can? Yes, that is could. So here the answer will be like could. I could. Then all other words will come as it is. There is no change. Only here we are going to change, and all other will come as it is. See, I could ride a horse. I could ride a horse. So this is the past form. Let's make the negative form. That is, the subject I will come as it is. In place of can, we need to write the negative form of can. What is the negative form of can? That is cannot. That is cannot. So here, in place of can, I am going to write cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. Then all other sentence will come as it is. Ride a horse. I cannot ride a horse. Enala horse otta mudiyadu. It is the negative form. And past form, I could ride a horse. Enala oru horse otta mudinchadu. Okay, let's read out the second question. We can play with my brother on the terrace. We can play with my brother on the terrace. It means engalaala enga brother kuda terrace la vilada mudiyum. Okay, so here in the first answer what you are going to make? You are going to change them into the past form. In the second answer what you are going to write? You are going to change them into negative form. Okay, so can you find the can in a sentence? Yes, after the subject there is a verb can. So here only we are going to make change. Okay, the change is going to happen only in this place. All other sentence will become, all other words will come as it is only. Okay, so the answer for the past form will be we. What is the past form of can? Yes, that is could. We could. Then all other words will come as it is. We could play with my brother form. Let's make the negative form. So here only the change is going to be happen. So the answer will be like we can. What is the negative form for can? That is cannot. We cannot play with my brother on the terrace. We cannot play with my brother on the terrace. எங்களால நம்மளால இப்போ என் பிரதர் கூட டெரஸ்ல விளையாட முடியாது. This is the negative form. See here we have used cannot. That means it is the negative form, negative sentence, and here we have used the past form. Then the sentence is talking about the past form only. Okay. So let's make the third one. Third question. You can stay out. You can stay out till 7 p.m. You can stay out till 7 p.m. நீ வந்து 7 p.m. வரைக்கும் 7 மணி வரைக்கும் வெளியே stay பண்ணலாம். Okay, this is the sentence. Okay, now what we need to do first, we need to change them into past form first. Okay, and then in the second answer we need to change them into negative form. Okay, before that, can you find the can in a sentence? Yes, where it is? Here it is, can. So let's make into the past form first. Okay, so the answer will come like you, because the change is going to be happen only in this place, not any other place. So all other words will come as it is. So what is the past form of can? Yes, that is could. So first I'm going to write could. You could, and then all other words will come as it is. You could stay out till 7 p.m. You could stay out till 7 p.m. It is the past form. ஒன்னால 7 மணி வரைக்கும் வெளியே stay பண்ண முடிந்தது. Okay, so that is the past form. Let's make the negative form. That is, in place of can, which is the negative form we need to use? That is cannot. Okay, so the answer will be like you. In place of can, I need to write cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T-U, cannot stay out till 7 p.m. So this is the answer. You cannot stay out till 7 p.m. உன்னால 7 மணி வரைக்கும் வெளியே இருக்க முடியாது. Okay, so முடியாது, cannot is the negative form for can. Okay, so in this exercise we have made the negative form of can and also the past form of can. Okay, so the 3 questions we have completed. In the first question we have changed the I can ride a horse into I could ride a horse. That is the past form. I cannot ride a horse. It is the negative form. I cannot ride a horse is the negative form. What is the answer for second question? The second question is we can play with my brother on the terrace, and the past form for this sentence is we could play with my brother on the terrace is the past form, and the negative form will be we cannot play with my brother on the terrace is the negative form. Okay, what about third question? You can stay out till 7 p.m. You can stay out till 7 p.m. The past form will be you could stay out till 7 p.m. and the negative form will be you cannot stay out till 7 p.m. is the past is the negative form for this sentence. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this video, children. I want you to try other 3 questions. Okay, whatever questions given in your book bag blue in page number 62, try by yourself. Okay, if you try this, if you can try other 3 things, means that will be very easy for you, because we have already learned learned about negatives and negative form of can and also the past form of can. Negative form of can will be cannot and past form of can will be could only. Okay. So try by yourself another three questions, and in the next video I am going to show you the answer only. So check by yourself. I'll see you in the next video.